Uh, well, speaking is always very difficult for journal people or the learners. But if you want to do speaking, the first thing that is very important that you must have ideas. You must have some vocabulary, and for that purpose, brainstorming is the best strategy. And the first thing is set directions that what you are going to speak, what you are going to discuss. Okay, stay focused. You must think that what I am going to discuss, what is my topic, is your topic is free time. So on free time you can generate questions, you can think about the things you do. And the most important thing is that you should speak true, that how, if we are talking about the free time, so you must think that what you do in the free time, and you mention all the things very freely, that what you do on whenever you get the free time, so what you do. So for example, some watch TV, like Navida told that I play Ludo and different games she mentioned. So creative speaking is always very important for us, for involve everyone. For example, if you are two people, you are talking, so if there is a third person, you ask him, now Mr. Arif has joined us, you can say that, Arif, what is your view about passing the free time? So in this way you also get the time, and you manage it. Okay.
Okay.
Invite wild idea means whatever the ideas, you should invite them, whatever they want to talk. Look for obvious means everything should be clear. क्रॉस फर्टिलाइज मीन आपस में आपने उसको मैनेज करना है. सस्पेंड जजमेंट, यू शुडंट से that you are right or wrong. Okay, there is nothing right and wrong in discussions. When you are speaking, everyone is right. Okay, allow repetition. If someone is repeating his ideas, let them repeat. Don't stop anybody. Whatever they are talking about, let them talk, because this is about speaking. Display ideas. It means that you give your ideas. Okay, you give your ideas. इसमें ये है कि सिंपल इज़ दैट कि असल जो चीज़ है वो अभी आपको ये दिखाते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, द मेन थिंग इज़ that what is an important goal, maqsad, I have for the next few years, and how will I achieve it. Okay, for example, if you want to talk on this topic, if you want to talk on this topic, so this is the way. For example, in next few years you want to get a better job. This is your cue, your point. Okay, then what you will do for that, search jobs on internet, drop your CV at different places, prepare your CV resume, and then this is another topic, finish school, and then keep in touch with family and friends, get contact information, for learn a new language. Okay, choose language, which language you want to learn, sign up for a language course. For example, online sign up on some website. For what is this? It means that you make some points when you want to talk, like this is brainstorming. Okay, this is brainstorming. For example, you have just seen that we have seen that brainstorming. What is our main aim? Set directions. कि आपने अपनी सेट डायरेक्शन सेट करनी है कि आप चाहते क्या हैं. ठीक है, स्टे फोकस्ड. जो चीज़ है उसके ऊपर अपना फोकस रखना है. ये क्या है जी, देखें ये अभी हमने जो चुना है अपने टॉपिक के लिए, ये जिसके बारे में हम, ये फ्यूचर प्लान है. ये क्या है? फ्यूचर प्लान. मैंने नई लैंग्वेज सीखनी है, तो क्या करूं फिर मैं? फिर चूज़ लैंग्वेज. कौन सी लैंग्वेज सीखनी है? इंग्लिश सीखनी है, उर्दू सीखनी है, पंजाबी सीखनी है, चाइनीज़ सीखनी है, कोरियन सीखनी है. अच्छा, फिर उसके लिए ये अपना अगला काम करना है. तो कैसे करना है जी? वेल, आई हैव सेट डिफरेंट गोल्स फॉर माई लाइफ. तो बोलने का तरीका क्या है कि अगर हमने एक गोल हमारा ये है, ठीक है, एक हमारा गोल ये है, एक हमारा गोल जो है वो जो है फैमिली के साथ कीप इन टच रहना है. ठीक है ना, तो ये हमारे मुख्तलिफ गोल्स हैं. तो इनको हासिल करने के लिए यानी ये टॉपिक है हमारा स्पीकिंग का. तो अब हमने क्या किया, हमने इनको लिख के, तो अब हम इससे बोल रहे हैं. देखिए, ये देखें, ये हमारा मेन टॉपिक है, व्हाट इज़ एन इम्पॉर्टेंट गोल, यानी आई हैव फॉर द नेक्स्ट फ्यू ईयर्स, कि आने वाले सालों में हमारा क्या गोल है। हमने टॉपिक हमारा ये हो गया, ठीक है। अब उसमें हमने देखा कि यार एक तो मेरा टॉपिक ये है कि लर्न अ न्यू लैंग्वेज, ओके। So how we shall speak? Well, I am going to talk on the topic that what are my future plans or goals or ambitions. The first thing which I want to do, I want to learn a new language, because I know that the person who knows more than one language, he is very successful in his life, because language pays you if you learn some new language, and especially if you want to learn some like international language like English, Chinese, Korean, Japanese. These are the emerging languages in the horizons of the world. Everyone wants to learn these languages, and especially I have decided to learn the English language, and I have chosen English language to learn. And for this purpose I am doing different activities. I have signed up for a language on different websites, and I am learning from there. I have also joined ICG, English Language Center, for my learning, and I am learning from Sarafzal, and I am learning a lot of new things. The second thing is that I want to finish my I want to keep in touch with my family and friends, and for that purpose I have decided to get contact information of my different relatives. I was not in touch with my relatives for the last few years, but now I have decided to make a list of my relatives and their contact information, and I shall try to manage a weekly contact. On every Sunday I am free, so I shall call them, and I shall have different interactions with them. I shall ask them about their studies, about their life. In this way I shall keep in touch with them. The next aim or my focus or my goal is to get a good job for me. For that purpose, first of all, I am going to finish my school studies with a successful result, and then I shall prepare my resume, like CV, and some information about myself, and then I shall search job. I shall search job on internet. I shall drop my CV on different websites, on jobs websites like rosie.com, job.com, quickjob.com, and then I also finish some physical places, like in some colleges for assistant job, in some university for assistant job, and I shall drop my CV there. Okay, so in this way I have set my goals. So now you have got some idea. Yes, students.